New York City, a city known for its addictive liveliness and fast pace as it is for its iconic eats. Think bagels, pizza, chopped cheese, and all of those delicious foods we shared with you in our New York series. So we were wondering if we could find those same delicious bites here in Chicago, which is also known for its unique and delicious food. That's what this video is all about. We went hunting for some New York eats right here in our windy city, especially some good old New York bagels, New York pizza, and yes, chopped cheese. Our first stop is New York Bagels and Bialy in Lincolnwood, one of many places on our long list of Chicago favorites and one that we learned has a cult following. After all, they've been around since 1965. It's known for their wide selection of flavors including cinnamon raisin, mishmash, onion, and pumpernickel rye. But they also have other deli favorites like smoked fish, soups, knish, and sweets.
Well, we're starting our day with a very New York breakfast. It's actually called the New York Wake Up, and it's basically a bagel sandwich with sausage, egg, and cheese. Sounds real good. It's right here. It already feels substantial.
So give me mine first. We got Nico some.
We got Nico some stuff. We got him a mini bagel. This one looks like it's chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip, and then he has blueberry as well. I'm hungry, guys.
Let me split it in half because Nico's kind of picky when it comes to textures. Nico. Yeah.
Nico's not impressed.
Bon appetit. Nico, I'm going to try the sandwich, all right? Oh, yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I remember I used to have something very similar growing up in New York. I like how sausage isn't too overpowering. It's just kind of like a mild sausage. Yeah, egg and cheese. Cheese is creamy. It's very, very good. If you're looking for something inexpensive, this I believe is like around...
It was like $6 or something with coffee.
With coffee. Not bad.
Oh yeah, I'm having the cinnamon raisin bagel with cinnamon raisin cream cheese. And it's pretty good. It's not too sweet. It's just perfect. Goes well with coffee.
Next stop is pizza, and we went to one of our favorites, Jimmy's Pizza, which not long ago changed locations to Montrose Avenue. They've been around since 2011 and have everything from classic cheese slices to more creative ones. And they sell by the slice too, which is a plus.
Jimmy's Pizza Cafe, and we're gonna try some of their pizza. Got a regular slice of cheese, pepperoni, and a meat lovers. It's like we're escalating little by little, right? Cheese, pepperoni, and then meat lovers.
Well, cheese is for Nico.
Yeah, cheese is for Nico. Maria ordered the pepperoni, and I had the meat lovers.
That's like a no-no. Well, that's for
yeah,
Nico.
I know. That's yeah. I'm just cutting slices for Nico.
Ooh, I love pizza, guys.
Let's get down to business.
Does it pass the New York test?
It does not. The crust is a bit thicker. It's not as floppy as you can see.
Well, maybe it's like Joe's pizza.
Yeah. And you get more of the cheese flavor than the sauce, but still, it's really good pizza. It's really good pizza. I like it. I like the crispiness of the crust. All right, Maria's gonna have some of her pepperoni.
All right.
Yeah, the crust is really good.
Good damn pizza.
Yeah.
It's not pot cheese. But I would say it compares to some of the other places.
Yeah.
Sure.
I just like my tomato sauce to kind of like have more body or oomph.
What do you call this? Like the
Pepperoni?
Pepperoni cups?
Yeah, pepperoni.
Right.
There's sausage, bacon, pepperoni. Has the flop, so that's good. consistent. I need my sauce, so you know,
The
stand out. Yeah. But yeah, you can't go wrong. Sausage is nice. You can taste some herbs in there, but it's super good. I love it. The crust is amazing. So the prices go increasing depending on the toppings it has. So $5 for like just regular cheese. I think it was like $5.50 for the pepperoni, and I think $6.50 for the meatloaf. Not bad overall for this size of slice.
Our last spot in Humboldt Park might just have a few years under its belt, but the passion for No Frills American Classics is legit. It is the brainchild of siblings Raphael Royal and Elizabeth Royal of Panamanian descent. And not only is the food great, but we had the pleasure of meeting Raphael, and he has a super fun personality. We could literally just hang out there.
So what are we here again?
So we're at Biancas Burgers to get a chopped cheese and another burger. We haven't decided on what. But I'm excited to try Chicago's take on chopped cheese. Oh yeah, these are hot. These are hot.
You want to try it by itself first?
Yeah, I usually like to try it by itself first just to kind of get the flavor of the
Nico wants it.
It's hot, buddy. Peace.
Neat. Okay, he did the approval dance. It's good?
That's good.
Mayo ketchup.
This reminds me of the egg rolls we had in Detroit.
Yeah, the corned beef ones?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's definitely really good. It has some sweetness to it. A lot of times where I go to order a business feed, it has no sweetener in it, so this is slightly sweet and it's really good. It's kind of like Mexican agua fresca. You guys have that? This is kind of like what you're going to get if you order a business feed. Really good.
Nico's special. That looks amazing.
It does look good. It does look good.
That looks massive. So what's a chopped cheese for those who don't know?
It's basically they take a hamburger patty, chop it up real nice, and put it in kind of like a loaf here. That tastes cheesy.
Yeah.
That's really good. Very similar to the flavor profile that Lluvia has as well. Oh wow. Yeah, you definitely can't go wrong with meat, cheese, and bread. That's just delicious.
And you have 2 sandwiches.
Literally 2 sandwiches.
We got mushroom and Swiss. We had to get it. It was recommended.
Oh, that looks huge.
Yeah, the bread is so soft. Feels like a donut. Everything tastes like super fresh. Yeah, it was a good choice for sure. And you can taste the mushrooms, which is
always a plus, yeah.
Wait, sit down. Alright, this is what Nabol left me. No, I'm kidding, we have a whole half to take home. Very good.
Yeah, it's like you can't go wrong.
I think what makes these burgers really good, I'm talking about both of them, they're very juicy and they're moist, like they have a lot of sauce, so they go down easy.
Well, that's going to be it for our New York Bites in Chicago video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.